Hi, my chef. Today I had dim sum with my friends, and I always love ordering this dessert. It's the sweet tofu. Have you had it before? It's really good with a little bit of ginger syrup that goes along with it. I can never get enough of it. I ordered one bowl and I'm like, I want more, but I'm like, okay, I feel like a pig and I don't want to feel that way in front of my friends. So I learned how to do this myself and I want to share it with you. Are you excited to learn how to make this for yourself? Yes? That's great. Okay, well, let's get started. So you only need a few ingredients in making the sweet tofu. Number one thing you need is the soy drink, cornstarch, yuxim powder. This is a coagulator that binds everything together. This is very, very important. Sugar rock or brown sugar and ginger. That's it. So we're going to turn this to medium. We are going to boil the soy milk. Bring it to a boil and turn it down low to simmer it. So you have to stir it once in a while so it doesn't stick to the bottom. When you see the soy milk bubbling, you can turn the heat off, mix in the powder, and then seal it with the lid and a cloth. So here I'm gonna mix 1 tablespoon of sickle, that's Chinese, and it's called yiksum. And also 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1.5. Make sure you mix it thoroughly until it's all dissolved. And when the soy milk starts bubbling, you add this in. You see how this is boiling right now? Turn off the heat and add in the mixture. You just want to move the liquid very gently. You don't want to overdo it. Like that. Very gentle. Put in a cloth. Is to soak up the moisture and seal it with the lid. Now all you do is wait 45 minutes and it's ready. So now we are going to make the sugar syrup. Add in your 2 cups of water. Add in the sugar rock. I only have 1.5 pieces left. You can put in 2. If you want it sweeter, you could put in a little bit more, but 1.5 should do. And add in the ginger. You let it simmer there until the rock has melted completely, and you want to bring it to a boil until the ginger flavor comes out. You see how it's boiling rapidly right now? It's on high. So when this happens, you want to turn it to low, and the ginger is cooking in there at the same time, giving out all this awesome aroma. So I'm going to turn it down a little bit more until it's just not bubbling way too much. I don't want it to burn out. So yeah, something like that. Well, the tofu is wow, look at that. See how it's so jiggly like jello? So the proper way to scoop it is to use a big spoon, and you want to skim it like that. You don't want to dig a hole in it. So you want to do a thin layer and scoop it on on top, like that. And now for the ginger, that's the sauce. Look at this piping hot sweet ginger tofu. Let's try this out. It's so nice and sweet. You gotta try this for yourself. So give it a try. If you like it, let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.